Alright, let me be upfront. I work with 160 plus music tech companies, and no, I didn't have 1 million followers. So if you're a music producer who makes content and waiting for brands to DM you first, you're already losing. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to position yourself properly so you look professional and brands actually wanna work with you. And you can actually make meaningful brand deals with the companies that you love as a music producer.
Disclaimer, this is not a video on how to get free gear. This video is about how to position yourself if you're already a content creator and reach out to companies properly as a professional so companies are more likely to reply to you and want to work with you. Now back into the video.
My first collab with the company was at around 3,000K, and I bet you anything I could have done it earlier. I was stuck in the concept that if the company has not reached out, you are not ready to work with them yet. That is not true. Let me explain. Now, for you to understand it, let's go back in time when there was no social media. Companies had to lose money by taking a day off work. They had to hire the entire production crew. They had to rent out space. They had to get editors to edit the video after. And then they will have to pay a ton of money to put advertisements on TV. And if there was some form of internet, maybe advertise it on Facebook before there was any Instagram. Now you, my friend, can do all of that for the fraction of the price. Now, the unfortunate truth, it isn't that easy. You still need to clean up your page. You still need to be presentable. Your Instagram is your resume, and you have to be active on your page. You have to be like a storefront for companies to come in and see what you can offer to them. And that means making videos they already want to see, cleaning up the page to clearly say exactly what you do. And finally, start DMing them. If you want to get a job in real life, you don't wait for a company to come up to you and offer you the job. You need to apply, you need to attend interviews, you need to negotiate, you need to work to get that job. Now let's think about Walmart as your Instagram page. If customers went to Walmart on a random Sunday and the doors were closed, that would be kind of insane. So if you are a business, you gotta be open and you gotta be posting and showing up for your customers, even if your customers are music tech companies. Now imagine walking into Walmart and everything is on the floor. The clothes is everywhere. There's no signs for where to find each product. That will be a total mess. Same thing goes for your page. You need to start making content that companies want to see. You need to clarify your vision for what you want your channel to be. You need to clear it up, and you need to start showing up consistently. Now, how do you actually apply that towards music tech companies? Don't ever reach out to a company asking for free gear. That will never work. My first suggestion is to actually use the products you already have. If you've ever purchased a plugin, if you ever purchased a piece of MIDI keyboard or a synthesizer, make a video on that. Tag the company. Show the use of that product in a real life scenario. How would you use it on your mix? How would you use it to create a sample? How would you use it to make a beat? And of course, tag that company. I've even gone crazy where I never spoke to the company. I've made the video and invited them to collab, and guess what? They accepted it. And after that, that was my way in for a DM. And I would talk to them and I would say I love their products. And a lot of the times they wanted to work with me. Point of this is don't wait for companies to reach out to you. Use what you have to your advantage, start creating content, and start tagging and commenting on companies' profiles. So before you post your next video, ask yourself this: will a company want to repost this? Will they be proud to show off their product through your lens? And on top of that, will they want to continue working with you? Now, I've actually created a full ebook on sample emails, sample DMs you can actually send to companies. It's not rocket science. It's about learning the system, positioning yourself correctly. So if you want to learn more, if you want to see all the details, if you want to see even how to negotiate with companies and how to secure deals that are not just one-off videos, but actual consistent monthly payments per video, everything is in the ebook right here. And I'll leave the link to it down below. And on top of that, you'll actually join a community of like-minded people who are already creating content and actually are getting deals after reading my ebook. So hopefully you got something out of this video. If you want to learn more, if you want to join the community, the link to my ebook is in the description. I mean, if you just want to reframe your mindset on what companies are actually looking for, and if you're sitting there waiting for companies companies to DM you, you're just wasting your time. Start working towards the company rather than just putting out content that you already see online already being posted. So good luck. Make sure you check out my ebook. I'm sure you will get a ton of insight. It's all of my personal stories, everything that has worked, things that didn't work, how I got to work with big companies, etc. All the gems, all the little stories that I've learned, it's all in that ebook. Plus you get the community, and there's even an audiobook version if you don't want to read, if you want to just listen to on the go. Thank you for sticking by. Chat later.